Hey Lawn Dogs, it's Floyd with UFO. How you doing, man? Hey, this is the third and final video from my last snowstorm we got from me pushing some snow around. So I wanted to get that pushed out to you before we get more snow this weekend. But I also want to remind you, this Saturday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, Shane from DLT Lawn Care is going to be doing a fundraiser for Mowers for Vets. So check it out. Go subscribe to his channel. The link is below. And then after you see this footage, I'll be back with you in a second. All right. YouTube, play my intro.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come the sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. Kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, no George Jones and Gary Sturt and all them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe. One ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through them like a cigarette or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give them good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. Kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk star. Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
Hey, so I hope you liked that footage. I'm going to come back to this plow video in the future for 2 reasons. One, a situation happened there that day, and I'm going to cover it in a later video. But the other one is you saw how the snow went over onto my windshield when I was plowing. Well, there's a way to stop that, and we're going to talk about that in another video in the future. I don't know when. It could be even next winter. I don't know. But anyway, hey, I know it's short. I'm trying to keep my videos under 10 minutes, so you guys will watch the whole things. Hey, like, subscribe, check out my other videos. All right. Hey, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.